Jackfruit is an amazing fruit that is grown in tropical regions of India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and some parts of Southeast Asia. 1. Jackfruit is a nutritious fruit. Eating jackfruit is a good way to get enough protein. Jackfruit is a good source of dietary protein, containing about 2.4 grams of protein per 100 grams. Jackfruit is also a good source of dietary fiber, containing about 2.1 grams of fiber per 100 grams. Jackfruit is a good source of vitamins A, C, and E. Jackfruit is also a good source of minerals like potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Jackfruit is low in calories and fat. Jackfruit is a good source of dietary fiber. Jackfruit is a good source of antioxidants. 2. Jackfruit can help in weight loss. Jackfruit is low in calories and fat. Jackfruit is a good source of dietary fiber. Jackfruit can help to feel full for a longer period of time and can thus help in weight loss. 3. Jackfruit can help in improving digestion. Jackfruit is a good source of dietary fiber. Jackfruit can help to keep the bowel movements regular and can thus help in improving digestion. 4. Jackfruit can help in boosting energy levels. Jackfruit is a good source of carbohydrates. Jackfruit can help to replenish the glycogen levels in the body and can thus help in boosting energy levels. 5. Jackfruit can help in improving immunity. Jackfruit is a good source of vitamins A, B, and C. Jackfruit is also a good source of minerals like potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Jackfruit can help to boost the immune system and can thus help in improving immunity. 6. Jackfruit can help in preventing cancer. Jackfruit is a good source of antioxidants. Jackfruit can help scavenge the free radicals from the body and thus help prevent cancer. 7. Jackfruit can help in preventing anemia. Jackfruit is a good source of iron. Jackfruit can help to increase the hemoglobin levels in the blood and can thus help in preventing anemia. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss out.